Hello! In these my nearly 4 years, I have been acting with automated tests. Without a doubt, the Selenium was the best software test automation solution I've ever encountered, and I would have countless motives to convince you to also adopt it as the main test automation tool. But I made a point of listing only the main and most important ones here. The first reason is that through it you will be able to create and run independent test scripts type of browser or operating system you are using. This through the Selenium IDE, which is a Firefox browser plugin. You also, in the Selenium IDE, will be able to add plugins that allow you to elaborate scripts in a more robust way to better meet business needs. Not to mention that, through Selenium WebDriver, you will be able to integrate these scripts which you have generated into a test project, be it in Java, C#, PHP, Python, or even Ruby. In addition, you will be able to perform configuration tests and also performance tests through the execution of the distributed or parallel tests, which is through the grid solution. That is, with only one script, you can run it multiple times and simultaneously on a particular machine, or even you can run it on any machine that is connected to a network. And this machine can be a Mac, can be a Linux, can be a Windows. This machine may be using Chrome as a browser. The other may be using Firefox, another Internet Explorer, or another Safari. It does not matter. Your script test will run normally. Remembering that Selenium has been used as the main cloud testing technology, which is the famous cloud testing. Today, this service is quite famous on the internet. Many companies have adopted this type of test, and the main companies responsible for this type of service. For example, cross-browser testing, Source Labs, and also the browser stack. And Selenium was developed by large professionals in the area of QA, as for example, Selenium WebDriver was created by a former Google software testing engineer. Did you know that? And he is currently working on Facebook. We also had people who participated in the project and belonged to the Mozilla Firefox organization, and among other large companies, as you can see here. Are the main companies where there were professionals who were involved with this Selenium design. And the main reason for you to adopt the Selenium, start working with him, is that it is totally open source. In other words, besides being free, you have access to, say so, to his source code, where you will be able to the customization you want to make and adapt in the best possible way to your business, to the project in which you operate. So, this is the coolest in Selenium. So I hope you've been impressed by all these advantages of Selenium. And in the next class, we will talk a little bit about process in software testing. See you then!